The World Economic Forum, or WEF, is a renowned international organization. It focuses on public-private cooperation. In January 2025, the WEF, with KPMG, launched a vital initiative. This blueprint is called Blueprint for Intelligent Economies AI Competitiveness through Regional Collaboration. It aims to guide the world toward equitable artificial intelligence, or AI. This blueprint is crucial. It emphasizes making AI beneficial for everyone. It recognizes that AI's potential is vast. This potential must be accessible to all. This blueprint's primary goal is clear: to harness AI for good. It seeks to promote global economic growth. It also aims for societal progress through AI. The blueprint acknowledges the challenges. Many countries face difficulties in AI adoption. These challenges include infrastructure limitations and a lack of skilled workers. The WEF blueprint provides a roadmap. It guides countries to overcome these hurdles. This blueprint stresses inclusivity. It emphasizes that everyone should benefit from AI advancements. It is a plan for shared prosperity. It recognizes the transformative power of AI, but it also acknowledges the potential pitfalls. It aims to mitigate risks. These include job displacement and ethical concerns. The WEF blueprint is a call to action. It calls for global cooperation. It urges stakeholders to work together. This collaboration is essential for shaping a responsible and equitable AI-powered future. The digital divide is a pressing global issue. It refers to the gap in access to digital technologies. This gap exists both between and within countries. Billions of people lack basic internet access. This makes them unable to participate fully in an increasingly digital world. This digital divide poses a significant obstacle to equitable AI. AI's potential relies heavily on data. This data is often collected and processed online. Limited internet connectivity restricts data access. It hampers the development and deployment of AI solutions. This perpetuates existing inequalities. It further marginalizes those without access to digital resources. Bridging the digital divide is not just about connectivity. It also involves addressing other challenges. These include digital literacy and affordability. The WEF blueprint recognizes these challenges. It highlights the need for infrastructure investments. This includes expanding broadband access, particularly in underserved regions. It emphasizes the importance of affordable internet access. It calls for initiatives to enhance digital literacy. These initiatives aim to equip individuals with the necessary skills. These skills are crucial for thriving in an AI-driven world. The WEF blueprint proposes a comprehensive framework for equitable AI. This framework is structured into 3 interconnected layers. These layers work together to create a robust ecosystem for AI development and deployment. This layered approach ensures a holistic strategy. It addresses the multifaceted aspects of equitable AI adoption. The first layer is the foundation layer. This layer focuses on the fundamental building blocks of AI. It emphasizes sustainable energy for AI infrastructure. It highlights the need for diverse and high-quality datasets. It stresses the importance of responsible AI infrastructure. Finally, it calls for efficient investment mechanisms. This layer ensures a strong and ethical foundation for AI development. The second layer is the growth layer. It focuses on accelerating AI adoption. It aims to integrate AI across various sectors. This integration, the blueprint suggests, will boost innovation. This layer emphasizes practical applications of AI. It encourages the development of AI solutions for real-world problems. The third and final layer is the people layer. This layer prioritizes the human aspect of AI. It emphasizes the need for workforce AI skills development. It also focuses on empowering individuals to thrive in an AI-driven world. This layer underscores the importance of ethical considerations. It ensures that AI benefits all members of society. The WEF blueprint recognizes the environmental impact of AI. AI systems, particularly large language models, require significant energy. This energy consumption contributes to carbon emissions. The blueprint stresses the importance of sustainable AI. This means developing and deploying AI in an environmentally responsible manner. The blueprint advocates for several key strategies. One such strategy is transitioning to renewable energy sources. This transition is crucial for powering AI infrastructure. The blueprint also encourages energy efficiency in AI systems. This includes developing less energy-intensive algorithms. It also involves optimizing hardware for energy conservation. The blueprint highlights the importance of responsible data management. Data centers, essential for AI, consume vast amounts of energy. The blueprint calls for sustainable data center design and operation. This includes using energy-efficient cooling systems and reducing electronic waste. Section 5. Regional collaboration, sharing the benefits. The WEF blueprint emphasizes the importance of regional collaboration. It encourages countries to work together. This collaboration is crucial for sharing best practices and resources. This approach can help accelerate AI adoption. It can also ensure that the benefits of AI are shared more equitably. Regional collaboration can take various forms. Countries can share data and expertise on AI development. They can jointly develop AI infrastructure and resources. They can also collaborate on AI education and training programs. This collaborative approach can be particularly beneficial for developing countries. It allows them to leverage the experience and resources of more advanced nations. The blueprint provides concrete examples of regional collaboration. For instance, countries can establish agreements for sustainable energy use in data centers. They can also share data center infrastructure to develop specific AI capabilities. This sharing of resources can reduce costs and accelerate progress. Section 6. Local empowerment, tailoring solutions. While regional and global collaboration are essential, the WEF blueprint also stresses local empowerment. It recognizes that AI solutions should be tailored to the specific needs and contexts of communities. This requires involving local stakeholders in the development and deployment of AI solutions. Local empowerment ensures that AI solutions are relevant and impactful. It also helps to build trust and ownership within communities. The blueprint emphasizes the role of local governments in creating enabling environments for AI. This includes developing supportive policies, fostering public-private partnerships, and promoting digital literacy. Local communities are best positioned to identify their unique challenges and opportunities. They can leverage AI to address issues such as healthcare access, education quality, and environmental sustainability. By empowering local communities, the WEF blueprint aims to democratize AI and ensure its benefits reach the grassroots level. Section 7. Case Studies, Real-World Applications. The WEF blueprint is not just a theoretical framework. It includes practical case studies from around the world. These case studies demonstrate how countries at different stages of AI maturity are implementing equitable AI initiatives. These examples provide valuable insights and inspiration for others to follow. One example is from Estonia, a country known for its digital leadership. Estonia has implemented an AI-powered system for personalized learning recommendations in schools. This system analyzes student data to provide tailored learning paths, ensuring that every student receives a customized education. Another case study highlights Rwanda's use of AI-powered drones for healthcare delivery. These drones transport essential medical supplies to remote areas, overcoming geographical barriers and improving access to healthcare for underserved populations. Section 8. Global Policies, Fostering an Inclusive AI Ecosystem. The WEF blueprint recognizes that achieving equitable AI requires supportive global policies. It calls on governments worldwide to create an enabling environment for responsible AI development and deployment. This includes establishing clear ethical guidelines, promoting data privacy, and ensuring cybersecurity. The blueprint emphasizes the importance of multi-stakeholder approaches. It calls for collaboration between governments, the private sector, civil society, and academia. This collaborative approach is essential for addressing the complex challenges and opportunities presented by AI. The blueprint also highlights the need for lifelong learning programs to equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. It encourages governments to invest in reskilling and upskilling initiatives, ensuring that no one is left behind in the face of technological advancements. Section 9. A Call to Action, Building a More Equitable AI Future. The WEF blueprint is a call to action for all stakeholders to work together towards a more equitable AI future. It provides a comprehensive framework, practical strategies, and real-world examples to guide this journey. However, the responsibility to implement this blueprint and translate its vision into reality lies with everyone. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is shaped by the choices we make today. By embracing the principles of equity, sustainability, and inclusivity, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. The WEF Blueprint provides the roadmap. It is up to us to take the necessary steps and build a future where AI benefits all of humanity.